Hello students, let us continue the session on rational numbers. This will be the last session and we will be solving the remaining questions of NCERT exemplar questions. Question number 135. 5.5 meter long rope is cut into 12 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece? Here, the total length of the rope is given. This is 5 1/2 meter, which is 11/2 meters, and they have also given the total number of pieces. It is 12. Therefore, length of each piece will be equal to the total length divided by the number of pieces. This will be 11/2 into 1/12. We get it as 11/24 meters. Hence, the length of each piece will be equal to 11/24 meters. Question 136. Write the following rational numbers in descending order. In order to write in a descending order, we require larger number to smaller number. Having observed, we find both the numerators and the denominators are different. So let us make the denominators as a like denominator. To do that, let's find the least common multiple of the denominators. 7, 8, 2 and 5. If observe, 0 is same as 0/1. I am not considering that. Let's find the least common multiple. The least common multiple of 2 and 8 is 8, and 7 multiplied to 8 multiplied to 5 will be the LCM. This will become equal to 280. Now, 8/7 can be expressed as 8/7 multiplied to 40/40, so that the denominator is 280, the numerator becomes 320. Similarly, this -9/8 I will express as -9/8 multiplied to 35/35, so that the denominator is 280, the numerator is -315. Now -3/2, I'll write it as -3/2 multiplied to 140/140, so that the denominator is 280 and the numerator turns to be -420. 2/5 I will write as 2/5 into 56/56, so that the denominator is 280. Now the numerator is 112. Now we shall write in descending order. In the descending order, I need to pick up the larger number. Of these, the largest is 320 upon 280, which is larger than 112 upon 280, which is larger than 0, because 0 is also one of the number, which is larger than -315 upon 280, which is larger than -420 upon 280. That is 8 by 7 larger than 2 by 5 larger than 0 larger than negative 9 by 8 larger than negative 3 by 2. This is how you require to express in descending order. Question number 137. We need to find the first one here is 0 divided by 2 by 3. This is same as 0 multiplied to the reciprocal 3 by 2. On multiplication of 0 with any number, we get the product as 0. The next one is 1 by 3 multiplied to negative 5 by 7 multiplied to negative 21 by 10. We can simplify this. Since it's a multiplication, I can multiply in any order. I can simplify this. 5 2 times, 7 3 times, and 3 and 3 they get cancelled. We get minus of minus as positive. So positive 1 upon 2 is the product. Question number 138. On a winter day, the temperature at a place in Himachal Pradesh was negative 16 degrees Celsius. Convert it in degree Fahrenheit by using the formula C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. Since they have given the temperature of Himachal Pradesh as negative 16 degrees Celsius, I need to replace C with negative 16 upon 5, which is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. So we require to do cross multiplication. So negative 16 has to be multiplied by 9. This will be equal to 5 times of F minus 32. We will make use of distributive property. This becomes 5 times F minus 5 times of 32, which is 160. The product of 9 with minus 16 is minus 144. Therefore, we get 5 times of F as minus 144 plus 160 by transposing. You will learn this particular way of simplification in second chapter, that is linear equation in one variable. However, I'll tell you here we have transposed. So by transposing negative 160 to left hand side, we get this result. So 5 times of F is equal to 16. So F will be equal to 16 upon 5, which is 3.2 degree Fahrenheit. Therefore, we get 16 degrees Celsius, same as 3.2 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 139. Find the sum of additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of 7. First, let me write down the additive inverse of 7. The additive inverse of 7 is minus 7. Let me also write the multiplicative inverse of 7. This is 1 by 7. Therefore, the required sum is the sum of minus 7 and 1 by 7. Let's take the LCM. LCM is 7 If 7 is the LCM, here we have negative 49 added to 1. This is same as negative 48 by 7, which is negative 6 by 7. Question 140. Find the product of additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of negative 1 by 3. This question is almost similar to the previous question. Here we need to find the product. Let me give the answer. You can find and verify your answer. The answer must be negative 1. Question number 141. The diagram shows the wingspans of different species of birds. Use the diagram to answer the following questions. Here, the wingspan of blue jay is 41 by 100 meter. Albatross is 3 by 5 meter. Golden eagle is 2.5 meter. Seagull is 7 by 10 meter. There are two sub questions given here. How much longer is wingspan of an albatross than the wingspan of a seagull? The second sub question is, how much longer is wingspan of golden eagle than the wingspan of blue jay? Let's answer them one by one. For the first, we have length of the wingspan of albatross. It is 3 by 5 meter, same as 18 upon 5 meter. And the length of the wingspan of seagull is 7 by 10 meters, the same as 17 by 10 meters. Now we require to find the difference, and the difference is 18 upon 5 minus 17 upon 10. The LCM over here is 10, so we have 36 minus 17, which is 19 by 10 meters. Hence, the wingspan of an albatross is 19 by 10 meters longer than the wingspan of a seagull. Let us answer the second one. In the second, we have length of the wingspan of golden eagle This is GLE, golden eagle, is 2.5 meter, which is same as 5 by 2 meters. And we are also given the length of the wingspan of a blue jay. It is 41 by 100 meters. Hence we find the difference. The difference is 5 by 2 minus 41 by 100, and the LCM is 100. So 250 minus 41 is 209 by 100 meters. Hence, the wingspan of a golden eagle is 209 upon 100 meters longer than the wingspan of a blue jay. Question 142. Shalini has to cut out circles of diameter 1 by 4 centimeter from an aluminium strip of dimension 8 3 by 4 centimeters by 1 by 4 centimeter. How many circles can Shalini cut? Also calculate the wastage of aluminium strip. As per the given question, the breadth of the circle is same as the diameter of one circle, and they have given the length of the aluminium strip. Therefore, we can find out the number of circles cut from aluminium strip. So let me mention here that the breadth of the circle, that is this particular thing, is same as the diameter of one circle. This is nothing but 1 by 4 centimeter, which is same as 5 by 4 centimeter. And the length of aluminium strip is given as 8 3 by 4 centimeter, which is 35 by 4 centimeter. Therefore, we can find out the number of full circles cut from the aluminium strip will be equal to 35 by 4 divided by 5 by 4. This is same as 35 by 4 multiplied to 4 by 5. 4 get cancels, 5 7 times 35, so 7 number of circles can be made. Now the diameter of the circle is 5 by 4 centimeter, hence we can find the radius and also we can find area of one circle. When I multiply area of one circle by 7, I get the total area for the circles. This particular area has to be subtracted from the area of aluminium strip. Then we get the wastage of the aluminium strip. Let's do that. First, let me mention the radius of one circle. The radius of one circle is 5 by 4 has to be divided by 2. We get 5 by 8 centimeter. Therefore, area of one circle is pi r square. This is a formula for area of circle. So pi value is taken as 22 by 7 for calculation reasons. 5 by 8 is a radius and one more radius has to be multiplied. This is for a circle. Now there are 7 circles. The area of 7 circles will be 7 times 22 by 7 multiplied to 5 by 8 multiplied to 5 by 8. 7 and 7 they get cancelled and we get 22 multiplied to 25 divided by 64. This is area of 7 circles. Let's also find area of aluminium strip. Aluminium strip. This will be length times breadth. Here the length given is 35 by 4 and the breadth given is 5 by 4. On simplification we get it as 175 by 16 centimeter square. This is also in terms of centimeter square. Here I'll find out the wastage. Therefore the wastage of aluminium strip will be equal to 175 by 16 minus 550 by 64. Why 550? Because 22 multiplied to 25 is 550. Let's simplify. The LCM is 64. So 4 to be multiplied to 175, we get 700 minus 550. This will be 75 upon 32 because this is 150 upon 64. We can simplify by dividing by 2. This can be expressed in mixed fraction as 11 by 32 centimeter square. This will be the wastage of aluminium strip. This is how we have to simplify. Question number 143. One fruit salad recipe requires half cup of sugar. Another recipe of same fruit salad requires 2 tablespoons of sugar. If 1 tablespoon of sugar is equivalent to 1 by 16 cup, how much more sugar does the first recipe require? Here, given that sugar required for 1 fruit salad, sugar required for 1 fruit salad is half a cup. Sugar required for another salad is 2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon is 1 by 16 cup. So this will be equal to 2 by 16, which is 1 by 8 cup. Therefore, required sugar will be equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8. The LCM here is 8. If 8 is the LCM, we have 4 minus 1, which is 3 by 8 cup. Question 144. 4 friends had a competition to see how far could they hop on 1 foot. The table given shows the distance covered by each one of them. The names and the distance covered in terms of kilometer are mentioned here. There are 3 sub-questions. The first sub-question is, how farther did Sony hop than Nancy? The second sub-question is, what is the total distance covered by Seema and Megha? And the third sub-question is, who walked farther, Nancy or Megha? Let's solve. Here we need to find out in terms of a fraction. We have 1 by 25, 1 by 32, 1 by 40, 1 by 20. Let me cross check again. 1 by 25, 1 by 32, 1 by 40, 1 by 20. Let me express each one of these rational numbers with the like denominators. For doing so, let me find out the least common multiple of 25, 32, 40 and 20. I'll do that here. 25, 32, 40 and 20. Let us divide by 2. So 25 is written as it is. 16 times is 32, 20 times is 40, 10 times is 20. Further, I'll divide by 2, 25 written as it is, 8, 10 and 5. One more time, I'll divide by 2. We get this as 25, 4 times, 5 times, 5 written as it is. Now 2 more 2's can be considered. Let me divide by 5, 5 times, 4, 1 and 1. So the LCM is the product of 2 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 5 multiplied to 5 multiplied to 4, and we get the product as 800. So we need to get 800 in the denominator. So 1 by 25 I'll write as 1 times 32 divided by 25 times 32, so that 800 is there in the denominator. Then I'll write 1 by 32 as 1 times of 25 by 32 times of 25. We get 25 by 800. 1 by 40 is written as 1 times of 20 by 40 times of 20. We get 20 by 800. Forty by 800 is same as 1 by 20. So all these numbers, they have 800 in the denominator. Now it becomes easy for me to subtract or to add. Now consider the first sub-question. Sony hop more than Nancy is 40 by 800 minus 25 by 800. This will be 15 by 800. This will be same as 3 by 160 kilometers. Second sub question, the total distance covered by Seema and Megha is 32 by 800 plus 20 by 800. This will be 52 by 800, same as 13 by 200 kilometers. Observe carefully the distance of Megha and Nancy. Clearly, Nancy walked farther than Megha. Why did I convert each of the denominators as 800? The reason is the simplification becomes easy. Without converting also you can try. You will be getting the same answer, but the calculation part will be different. Next question is shown here. You can see this question and try on your own. Since the remaining questions are lengthier enough, I'll stop the session at this particular stage. We shall take up the remaining questions in the next session. Thank you.